In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call Turbotax by following a few simple steps. Whether you're in need of customer support or have specific questions about your tax filing, connecting with Turbotax can be a straightforward process if you know where to look. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to visit the official Turbotax website. It's a well-organized platform offering a variety of tax-related services right at your fingertips. Upon landing on the homepage, you'll notice the site is user-friendly and has a great layout that makes it easy to navigate. Now let's focus on how to find the contact information you need. As you scroll through the homepage, keep an eye out for the Contact Us link. Typically, this is located towards the bottom of the page in the footer section, where most websites place their support links. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Contact Us. This hyperlink is your gateway to getting the support you need from Turbotax, whether it's an inquiry or an issue you need resolved. After clicking Contact Us, you will be directed to a page that is specifically designed to assist with queries and provides various ways to get in touch with their support team. This page is an invaluable resource as it offers a range of options tailored to different user needs, from simple FAQs to direct communication links. Once you're on the support page, you'll need to locate the section that lists contact methods. Here you'll find essential details such as phone numbers, email addresses, or live chat options, allowing you to choose the method of communication that suits you best. With these options, Turbotax ensures that you can reach out in the way you feel most comfortable, be it over the phone or online. Remember, if you're opting for a phone call, it's a good idea to have your details ready, such as your account information, any relevant documents, and a clear idea of the issue or question at hand. This preparation will not only help speed up the process, but also ensure that your call is more efficient and effective. I hope you find these instructions clear and easy to follow. By visiting the Turbotax website and navigating to the contact section, you're setting yourself up to get the help you need quickly and effortlessly. And there you have it. Calling Turbotax is as simple as navigating to the right part of their website and choosing your preferred method of contact. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to check back for more helpful guides and tips. Whether you're tackling taxes or tech, we're here to make the process smoother. Happy filing!